Now we are going to find the mean of the following data. So the monthly consumption, which is CI class interval, is given as 65 to 85, 85 to 105 till 185 to 205, and the frequencies, which is number of consumers, are given as follows, which is your Fi. Now we need to find the Xi. Xi is the middle term. So how to find Xi? The first is 65 to 85, right? So you have to add this, इन दोनों को add करना है. 65 plus 85 divided by 2, so you will get the middle value. So now 65 plus 85 is equal to 150. 150 divided by 2 is equal to 75. So you got the value of Xi as 75. So I'll write in the place of this 75. Now how much gap is there? 65 to 85 means we are having gap of 20, right? 20 का gap है, तो 75 में 20 ऐड कर. Now 75 plus 20 is equal to 95. 95 plus 20 is equal to 115, then 135, then 155, then 175, at last 195. So you got Xi value. Now you have to find Fi into Xi. So you have to multiply this 4 with 75. If you are multiplying 4 with 75, you will get 300. Now 5 into 95 is 475. 13 into 115 is 1495. 20 into 135 is 2700. 14 into 155 2170. 8 into 175 is 1400. At last 4 into 195 is equal to 780. So the formula of finding mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So sigma means add, so you have to add Fi Xi. So I'm having Fi Xi here, right? So I have to add this all, so I will get sigma Fi Xi. If you are adding this all, you will get Fi Xi is equal to 9320 and sigma Fi is equal to 68. So that means in the place of sigma Fi Xi you can write 9320 divided by 68. So if you are dividing 9320 with 68, you will get 137. So your mean is equal to 137. Now we have to find median. Now for the same question we are finding the median. So for finding median you have to find CF, which is cumulative frequency. How to find this cumulative frequency? You have what you need to do is write this 4 as it is. जो भी first number रहता, you have to write it as it is. Then this 4 you have to add with this 5. 4 you have to add with 5, so you will be getting 9. Again this 9 you have to add with 13, so you will be getting 22. This 22 you have to add with 20, so you will get 42, right? So now 42 plus 14, 56. Again 56 plus 8, 64. Now last 64 plus 4 will be get 68. Now add this all, it is also equal to 68. You are getting this value and this value same, then you have done it correctly. Now the formula to find this is your n, which is equal to 68. The formula for finding median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f multiplied with h. So now you have to find L, you got n, you want to find Cf, f and h. So how to find Cf, L and f? It's very simple. Now you are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 values, right? So the middle value is this. How this is the middle value? Now 1 2 3 upside and 1 2 3 downside, so you are getting this value in the middle. So this, from this value you have to get all the values. So ये अपना L होता, this will be your L, this is F and just above the f के थोड़ा ऊपर जो भी है will be your CF. So जो भी value you are getting in middle, then you have to make a box, then उसके पास ये जो value है last में L, lower boundary 125, उसके पास जो भी fi में है that will be your f, then just above the f is equal to CF. So now you got L is equal to 125, N is equal to 68, so N by 2 is equal to 68 by 2, which is equal to 34. Now your CF is equal to 22, your F is equal to 20. Now left with H, right? H is the height of the median class. Height in the sense 65 to 85. How much height is there? If you want to find the height, just what you need to do is just subtract 85 with 65. So 65 or 85 minus 65 is equal to 20. So the height of the model class is equal to 20. So now you got all the values, right? So we'll be substituting here. In the place of L I have to write 125 plus N by 2 की value I got as 34. So I'll be writing 34 minus CF I got as 22 divided by, in the place of F I got 20, then इसको multiply करना है, in the place of H I got same 20. So here I am having 20, here I am having 20, I can cancel this out. So now I am left with 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12. So now it is equal to 137. So your median is also equal to 137. It is not necessary कि you will be getting same mean and median. In this case we are getting the same answers.